it's Christy from Creatively Christy, and I have a special video for you guys. We will be unboxing the January 2021 Planners Anonymous box. This is the first one I have ever gotten. I just started subscribing in January, so this is the January box. It's so cute. I love the way that it came. It's a little mangled from the trip here, but it did come from around the world, so cute. So cute. So let's open this puppy up. I'm excited. I do know what's going to be in here, but I haven't physically seen it yet, so. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Adorable. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's get the box out of the way, just because it's huge and I only have so much space. Let's go through the paper first. I'm so excited. It's so pretty, you guys. I cannot wait to put this on my dashboard planner because I'm always, you guys know I'm always covering the left side of it, so these will be great. I can get them out. Whoa. I think these clear ones are called vellum sheets, or vellum, I don't know how to say it. I'm new to this. Put that there. Like, okay, so here's one sheet. So nice. Oh, and you can do the other side if you want. So pretty. Is that two? No, that's one side, I guess. Yeah, it comes with two, so I could do like that on top of that if I wanted to. Really pretty paper. And there's this one. Little petals and hearts. And then a purple, kind of, looks like watercolor. That's the same one there. And these beautiful flowers. And pink watercolor, kind of strokes, brush strokes there. So I guess you get two of everyone depending on what you want to do with it. I am so excited to do a spread with this. This might have to be my end of the month spread. And then there's these. So pretty. I don't know if that's the vellum or this. Tell me if I'm saying it wrong because I have no idea. Isn't that? That's so pretty. You guys know I love the gold foil look. Oh, it's gold on this side and it's silver on this side. That's so cool because then I could choose what I want. Gold. It's hard to see here. Put this on. Gold or silver. That's really pretty. Really pretty paper. I'm impressed. I'm already really glad that I got this. Okay, so time for the rest. That little sticker. Cute. It's kind of like the Lush stickers where they have packed by each person. Excited. Look at this beautiful little pouch. I guess I could put like washi and pens and small sheets of stickers with Planners Anonymous. So cute. I've been waiting for this for a month because of postal service is crazy right now because of COVID, but yeah, so I've been so excited for a month. And then my other one just got shipped for this month, for February, so I'll show you guys that one when I get it. I don't know if I'll be able to get it every month. I might have to skip a few months just because we don't have a whole lot of money, but okay. And here are some, I think they're vinyl stickers. I just can't remember what they're called. Some kind of decal die cut, maybe. Those are so cute. Oh, white little kitty. Oh, hearts. Oh god, they're sticking to the paper. It's like a seal or something. Like a wax seal. Petals, hearts, flowers, more hearts. Oh, I don't know if they're stickers or not. Well, even if they're not, I can always, that's cute. I can always use my crafter's tape to put them on. You guys, these are the cutest ever, and I feel like I could get a lot of spreads out of this. So maybe the same theme, but they will look different. But like, oh yeah, that's like for the seal there. This is so cute. I'm so glad it came today. I love getting mail. Oh, that's a lantern. A lantern. This is the only kind of mail I like getting. I do not like the other kind that I've been getting, which are bills, but who does really? Who does? These are so cool. Oh, okay. Other than the cats, this one is my favorite one. It's just so pretty. So pretty, you guys. So pretty. I can't handle it. The little paper cranes. Lanterns. More hearts. Petals. Bows. Another seal. I don't know if you guys are seeing all of this. So many cats. I am so happy because I love cats. I'm obsessed. We have 3 cats, so the only reason we don't have more is because we are in a small condo and we can't fit any more in here. I love when they do that. I love when they sleep like that. It's so cute. Okay, and then I got this card that says, sometimes life can be fragile. We can all fall and be broken down. Or we can fall and be broken down, but come back more beautiful. I love that. Okay, I'm going to neatly put these away. But they are beautiful. I'm dropping some. It's like half this kit is open and I'm so excited already. So excited! Oh, there's a stamp kit, which means I'm gonna have to get ink. So everything basically that you just saw within these little, I think they're called die cuts, I can also stamp. So it's got the kitties in there, and the girl, and the flowers, and the paper crane, and everything. It's not so cute. I haven't done stamping yet, so it should be interesting for me. Comes with this pen. It's the prettiest pen I've ever seen. That's so cool. Oh, and then you turn it. The pen comes up. I thought it was a clicker, but it's a twist. It's a twister, you guys. So cute. All right, let's see this washi. So they have their theme on it and their logo. And then that's one of the washies. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. It's like lavender with gold foil spots. And then there's this one with the flowers and some gold foil for the stamens, stamens, I think. And this one's so pretty. It's got got the cats on it. Cat washi. Is there any other kind? No, I love it. Because I love cats. I'm not sure what this is. I think they're like little cards. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're like little sayings. Know your worth. Blossom in your own time. Oh, wait. There's one under it. Bloom through adversity. It's coming at a great time right now. Celebrate your beauty. You are a beautiful work of art. And beautiful, not broken. And then there's this little piece there for however I want to use it, I guess. What the name? This kit is so pretty, you guys. Like, I knew it was going to be pretty from when I saw it online, but just in person, it's great. Okay, so this is like the little note about what's in it. So it says, I am gentle but strong, not broken but beautiful, and will live life one moment at a time. Sakura. And then, oh wait. So yeah, it just says everything that's in there. I'm not sure what the mystery item is. I'll have to read through this later and see. And then I got the stickers, which is the most important part of all, because you guys know I love stickers. So cute. Look at those. I wish I could make my own stickers. I know a lot of people do it, but I feel like it's really hard. I've only used my Cricut to cut out letters and shapes on cardstock, so I haven't done stickers or even vinyl yet. These are cute, you guys. And it fits with how much I love pink. Purple is pretty much close to pink, so yeah. Oh, look, it's like a little planner cover holder thing. That's a clue right there. It's a clue to the next one that I'm getting that is on the way, and I will show you guys when that comes. I was really excited for this. I still am, but this one I'm even more excited for because I love leopard print. Not everybody feels the same way, I guess, because there's been a lot of complaints in the planner groups about Happy Planner Wild Style, but I love it all. I just love animal print. But yeah, so thanks for joining me in my unboxing with stickers and sheets and washi and a pen and die cuts and stencils, little cards. I love it. I love all of it. You guys should get it. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more of my videos, and I will have more unboxings on here because I have another one of these Planners Anonymous boxes on the way. It might take a while to get here though. And I also have 2 Happy Planner boxes on the way too. So more Happy Mail. Yay! Yeah, so if you like this, give it a like. If you want to see more of my stuff, then hit the subscribe button. See you later.